I thank you, Mr. Speaker. On the 27th of May 2026, the Honorable High Court Judge of Jaffna, Honorable G. Alex Raja, was transferred to the Civil Appellate High Court of Badulla, despite having been posted to Jaffna only a month prior to that. The untimely transfer itself is suggestive of extraneous considerations informing the decision to transfer. The Bar Association of Jaffna, by letter dated 30/5/2026, annexed herewith, wrote to His Excellency the President alleging interference and undue pressure from the Honorable Governor of the Northern Province and a senior minister in the government in the process leading to the transfer of the said judge. The said judge had delivered interim orders in 2 writ cases staying the inquiry initiated against the Point Pedro Urban Council. He has also stayed a transfer of a teacher while he was serving as the High Court Judge of Kilnochy. All these orders were inter alia adverse to the governor, who was named as a respondent. There is credible information that indicates that copies of the case records of these 3 cases were informally sought by His Lordship the Chief Justice the day before the transfer was ordered by him. The Point Pedro Urban Council and Savakacheri Urban Council, whose chairpersons belong to the All Ceylon Tamil Congress, led by the Tamil National Council Alliance, have been subjected to inquiries by the governor in the past few months to satisfy the whims and fancy of the ruling party in the centre. The power of inquiry over local government bodies lies on the provincial minister of local government as per section 184 of the Urban Council Ordinance. Whilst this government refuses to hold elections to the province, to the provincial councils, it has been using the office of the governor in the Northern Province to stifle the work of the elected local government bodies, which in the case of Jaffna is controlled by opposition parties. My question, Honourable Speaker, to the Minister is one, while the Minister of Justice, will the Minister of Justice agree with me that the Honourable Governor of the Northern Province's communication to the Judicial Service Commission in relation to certain orders made by the Honourable High Court Judge of Jaffna in case numbers writ /6/2026 and writ /8/2026 amounts to undue interference in the administration of justice? 2, if yes, would the Honourable Minister of Justice inform the House the steps that he intends to take to remedy the situation, including actions that the government will take against the Governor for his undue interference in the administration of justice?
Honourable Minister.
Yeah, Honourable Speaker, the questions raised by Honourable Gajendra Kumar MP is within the purview of the Judicial Service Commission according to the Constitution, which I'm sure my learned friend is also aware. So therefore, the disciplinary action, transfer or any other issue is handled by the Judicial Service Commission. So I will move for time to get a response. So I will forward this to the Judicial Service Commission, and their response I will give it to you, because the government was not involved in this situation. The JSC was. So let me get the response to you on another date. So I move for time.